Hi everyone, in this video, I will share information about the crypto trading journal that I created to track cryptocurrency trading activity. This trading journal is designed for traders who want to monitor their trading performance and strategy over a 12-month period, providing a detailed weekly, monthly, and overall overview of their trading activity. In this video, I will guide you on how to set out input data into the trading journal and analyze your trading performance. Before you start using the trading journal, head over to the Start tab to set out the starting month and year. You can input any month and year and it will list out all the 12 months below. Next, on the right, input the starting capital of your trading account. After that, input the name of your trading strategy. If English is not your primary language, you can change some of the keywords in this journal to your language by replacing the words in the white cell. Once you have finished setting out your journal, you can start inputting the trading data. There is a position sizing calculator for you to determine the appropriate position size for each trade based on your risk tolerance and account size. You can use the calculator to determine your entry level or take profit level by inputting your risk to reward ratio, stop level, and target level or entry level. The calculator will help you determine the minimum number of lot to buy or sell, as well as the minimum long or target level. This can help you avoid over leveraging your account and minimize the risk of your trades. There is a crypto list for you to input the crypto pairs that you are trading, so that you can select from the drop-down list in the trading journal. If the crypto pairs that you are trading are not in the list here, you can delete the existing one and replace them, or you can add extra rows below. Now I will show you step by step how to input the trading data into the trading journal. First, input the trade number in numerical format, enter the entry date and time, select the trade direction. From the drop-down list, input the number of positions when you enter the trade, input the leverage you use, select the crypto pair from the drop-down list, select trading strategy from the drop-down list, input the time frame, entry price, stop loss, and take profit price. After inputting the data for the open position, the cells in green will automatically calculate 1R distance, required margin, position size, net profit, net loss, risk percentage per trade, and maximum risk to reward ratio. After you exit the trade, enter the exit date and time. The spreadsheet allows you to input up to 3 multiple exit positions and prices. If you exit the trade 1/3 each time, input the first exit position under the quantity 1 and exit price 1. Then enter the second and third exit positions and prices respectively. If you only exit the position all at once, you can ignore quantity 2, exit price 2, quantity 3, and exit price 3. You can also hide the column if they are not necessary for you. The net quantity will show a figure if you haven't fully exited the position. Remember to input the fee for each trade. After inputting the cross position details, the green cells will show important trade statistics such as trade duration, R multiple, profit and loss, cumulative P&L, account balance, percentage gain or loss, and account drawdown. If you have any fund deposit or withdrawal, put a dash under the number column instead of a numerical number. Input the date of funds deposit or withdrawal, and input the amount of deposit or withdrawal. Remember to put a minus sign in front of the amount if you withdraw money from your account. In this trading journal, there is a weekly report for you to analyze trading performance. Just select the week number from the drop-down list, and it will list out all the trades taken on the selected week number. It will show a summary of trading statistics such as profit and loss, return percentage, win rate, and total R multiple. The charts here show your account balance, profit and loss by crypto pair, strategy performance, cumulative P&L, and account drawdown. There is also a monthly report in the same way as the weekly report I showed you just now. Simply select the month from the drop-down list, and all the trades taken on the selected month will be shown in the table below. The table will also show statistics such as account starting and ending balance, profit and loss, monthly return percentage, win rate, R multiple, and average time in trade. The dynamic charts here show account balance, total P&L by crypto pair, strategy performance, cumulative P&L, and account drawdown. I have also created a strategy performance dashboard for analyzing the performance of each individual strategy. It lets you know which strategy are performing well and determines which may need improvement. Select the strategy name from the drop-down list, and it will list out all the trades taken using the strategy. It also shows the summary and statistics such as profit and loss, win rate, and average return per trade. You can analyze the performance of each crypto pair when using a particular strategy by clicking on the funnel sign on crypto pair. selecting the name of the crypto pair, and the statistic will be shown accordingly. There is also a strategy statistic graph and table to show you the best and worst performing strategies and for you to compare the performance of each strategy throughout the 12-month periods in terms of R multiple. Lastly, the most important part of this journal is the main trading dashboard. It shows you a comprehensive overview of your account trading activity over the 12-month periods. It displays your account summary such as account starting and ending balance, total P&L, win rate, total R multiple, and account statistics such as average win and loss, largest win and loss, maximum consecutive win and losses, and average time in trade. The pie chart show your trade performance such as the number of winning or losing trades as well as long or short trade. The table below show monthly trade statistics such as profit and loss, R multiple, winning and loss trade. The graph on the right allows you to have a glance at your overall period trading performance such as account balance, which shows the total value of the account at a given point in time over the whole period. Account drawdown shows the maximum loss the account incurred over the whole period, and account cumulative P&L shows the net profit or loss accumulated over time. You can also have a glance at the overall performance of individual crypto pair and trading strategies to know how individual crypto pairs and strategies have contributed to the overall performance of the account, as well as the monthly performance in terms of R multiple, profit and loss, and winning and losing trade. In conclusion, using a trading journal can help you analyze trades and improve your trading performance over time. The trading journal shows you the statistics of your strategy and trading activity, allowing you to learn from the past experience and make adjustments to your trading plan. Do check my previous video about the 5 reasons you need a trading journal. Overall, a crypto trading journal is a valuable tool for traders of all levels to improve their trading performance and make more informed decisions. I highly recommend you use this trading journal if you are serious about improving your trading performance. Thanks for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description or comment section below to find out more about this crypto trading journal. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.